This conference
sizes
will
of
now be
conduit.
recorded.
Okay. So next one is type of circular box and GI boxes. Types of circular box and GI box. So these types of box we can using in root of the conduit and make the point of the equipment or device. This type of boxes are using for make the root of conduit. Some very long route. That time we can using in Johnson box also. Okay, JB box also. So these types of box all are using in root of the conduit and make the point of the device, light, fan, any types of devices we can using in this one. So we have the this is available GI and PVC. If you can using in PVC conduit, that time you can using PVC type circular box. If GI conduit or EMT, that time you can using in GI type. GI type conduit. GI type conduit we can using in GI type boxes, circular box. So this is available GI types and PVC types also. So as for this one, so many categories have this one. Okay. So one way stop circular box. One way stop circular box. This is we can using in end of the circuit, end of the point. If point is going to end, that time we can using in one way stop box. Point is going to end condition. We can using in one way stop box, one way stop circular box. That time using when your root, your point is closed, there to no more going in other. Last point we can using in one way. So in golf, one circuit inside have 9, 10, 5, 6 lights is available. Light points. That time end point we can using in one way box. End point we can using in one way box. And two way straight circular box. Two way straight circular box we can using in if the your route is very length, suppose each 10 meter or each 3 pipes, each 3 pipe you need to JB Johnson box. Suppose you can make the conduiting is one side to another end, one start to one end and another end. There is 30 meter or 40 meters. So every 10 meters or 9 meters, three pipes, ending of the 3 pipes, you should be use the straight box, through box, straight box. Because if you not put in straight box is there, wire pulling time problem of you. This is using for JB Johnson box. Okay, so this is using for the JB. You can pull the wire 10 meter, remove the wire, again put inside. One time 30 meter or 40 meter not possible to pull the wires. Very long. So we need to JB. That time we can using in straight box. This is also available 20 and 25 with PVC type and GI types also. PVC type and GI types. PVC type we can using in concealed and GI type open. So this is the we can using in JB JB system. We can using in JB system. Okay. Straight box. Purpose of JB. Okay. So one time we cannot possible to pull the cable 30 meters through one pipe inside. So we can make the parts 10 meter. We can give the same type of one box and put the pipe is here again here to throughout. So up to here we can pull one time cable and again here to pull the another side. Use for JB. Okay. So circular box, this types of circular and two-way angle box. This is two-way angle box. Suppose your root is coming straight, then you can make the 90 is there. There also have the one point. You can take the your root is straight and there have one point and make the 90. That time we can using in angle box. This is like a 90. Okay, angle box. Your root is coming straight, then you can change the root right side or left side. We can using in L box. Straight coming one side and right side. If you change the right side, you can use same and right left side same. Changing your root direction. That time we can using in angle type. And straight type, no changing in root, but very long root is your. That time we can using middle part of the conducting installation works for wire pulling. This is help of wire pulling time. And next one is T-way, three-way or T-box. So if you put this box, your point is going to three areas. Suppose this types of box is using for near of the switch box. One pipe is direct coming from DB. You can give one pipe is direct coming from the DB. One pipe is going to the switch box and one pipe is going to another point. This type of box. Three-way box we can using in if the you can drop the pipe in switch area and your main incoming is coming into the from DB and outgoing also going to next point. So in one electrical circuit, lighting circuit inside have 10, 9, 6 like that light is coming there. So that time we can using in T box. Direct DB to come in, you can fix one area and another is going to switch box area and next one is going to next point. So that types of condition you can using in T box. This means you can divide it in your electrical circuit is three-way to running. Direct coming from DB one way and another going to next point and next one is going to switch, drop the switch. That time we can using in T box. This name is three-way or T box. And this is angle box. 90 box also and angle box also. Okay, circular box and two-way straight box. This is the straight. You see here to coming one pipe help of the JB and another pipe here to and going out. Incoming, outgoing. We can and this one-way box we can using in ending of the point. Suppose one circuit inside have the 6 lights. First light, second light, third light, fourth light or fifth light we can using in somewhere angle box, somewhere T box and somewhere straight box. but in last point they are to no going in anywhere, stop point. That time we can using in stop box. Clear about this one? Okay, so we have available in stop box, through box, angle box, and TOA box. And uses as per work condition. Which type of condition is coming, you can using in as for this one in different types boxes. Okay. So next one is four-way circular box. Four-way circular box. 4 parts is divided. Sometimes this box also required inside. 4 types of required in this one. This one is especially required in if you fixing in exit light in door, and there is coming one switch also, and main income is coming from DB also, and another point also going. That time we can using in this type of box, four-way box. Suppose example, main DB2 coming in one way, and another is going to exit point, exit light point. Okay, and next one is going to drop to switch, and another is going next point. That time we can using in this types of box. 4, if you divide it in your electrical circuit is 4 area, that time we can using in 4-way. As per your work condition, you can check in your drawing also mention this one, 4-way to going. Okay, that time we can using in this types. Y types, this is also using in their side. One is main incoming is coming there and divided in 2 parts, going to 2 areas. We can using in this type box also. This is also available PVC or GI. Both types of box is available. This one also PVC also and GI also. And sizes 20 mm and 25. Lighting purpose we can using in 20 mm circular box. Power socket, window AC, and dryer, BMS and fire alarm system we can using in 25 mm sizes pipe. As per pipe we can using same sizes of circular box, same sizes, not in different. As per your conduit size we can using in same sizes in box also. Okay, and H type box, somewhere you need to this type box also, some places. So DB2, this type of box is using for maximum in ring circuit, power ring circuit. If you make the ring circuit, 6 wire is coming in different 2 pipes. So main incoming DB2 we can using in 2 pipes for there, and outgoing this is going for first point of the power socket. This is going to last point of the power socket. We need this one now. So DB2 6 wire is running in ring circuit. 6 wire means two phase same color code, 2 neutral and 2 earthing. So we can using in 3 cables in first point and 3 cables is last point. So these types of earth boxes especially using in ring circuit wiring time we can using in this type to very easy to conduit. You can using in installation conduit it very easy. So that time we can using in this types. And next one is U type, only 2 hole is coming. So this type box also using as per your work condition. As per your work condition, we can using in U type also. This is also available PVC GI and 20 and 25. All box are available as per your size. What is your requirement? Okay. Next one. So next one we have the doom cover, round plate, and 3x3 and 3x6 GI box. Doom cover we can using in point, in slab point, and slab to some place have we can using in ceiling. So ceiling is coming down. Slab and ceiling height is different. So sometimes some light are coming in hanging system. Some fan are coming in hanging system. That time we can using in doom cover. There have a thread system. So one pipe we can drop how many height is required from FFL, finishing floor level. So first we can fix the doom cover in point area, and your wire should be near the downside because your equipment is coming ceiling to down, hanging system. Some light and some fans are coming in hanging system. Okay, so that time we can using in doom cover. This is also available 20 and 25. If your lights and your device are coming in hanging system, fan also coming somewhere in hanging system, that time we can using in doom cover to make the point is drop down in straight down. That time we can using in doom cover. So doom cover we can fix the one circular box and fix the doom cover with screw. There is the screw system. We can using the screw and tight and catch this one and fix the pipe and drop the cable up to the equipment. So this types of doom cover is also using. And round plate cover. Some JB we can using in round cover. Okay. So suppose this is your JB box, through box. So you need no need to wire it, put there, only help for cooling purpose. That time we can close the box like that. This is the JB we can using in round plate for close this one. So we cannot see in wire inside. This is finishing system. We can using in this one plate. Okay. So we can using in closing time. No need point. Only for JB box. You can using in JB box for this one. Okay. So this is suppose this is now open. So we can pulling the wire here to wire. One pipe is coming and going inside. Another outgoing is going. That time we can pull the cable through there. Pulling purpose we can fix this installation this box. So after no need everything is finished, we can close like that and put the screw. So circular round plate. We need to round plate for covering the JB box. Okay, you can understand. Wire pulling time we can open this one, pull the wire, everything is complete. There is no coming in any point, only for pulling purpose we can again close like that and put the screw. Very easy purpose. Okay, so this is using for close the circular box. If no need the point, that time we can closing time use round cover. Okay, and next one is round plate cover, 3x3 and 3x6 GI box. So this is using especially in switch fixing time. 3x3 GI box we can using in We can using in switch, single switch fixing time. We can using in 3x3 box. Suppose this is your single switch, only one switch is this one. So now you can fixing in this box, 3x3 box, and put the switch like that in surface mode. Put the box like that. Only one switch is coming. We can using in 3x3 GI box. This is the 3x3 GI box. Okay, one switch is here. So switch model is coming like that, and we can put the switch here, make the screw, and complete this one. So 3x3 box, especially using in single gang switch, and somewhere we can using in single gang power socket also. Power socket, single gang power socket we can using in 3x3 GI box also. Okay, so if the switches is come in one place, one light switch, one fan switch, another corner light switch. If 3 or 4 switches is coming, we can using in 3x6 GI box. 3x6 GI box. Only one switch coming, we can using in 3x3. But more to one switch coming in same place, we can using in 3x6 GI box. Same like this two or three switches is coming, we can using in 3x6 GI box. We can fix like that. Okay, so this type of box we can using in big one. So this is the PVC type. So we can using golf GI. This is concealed. We can using in this types of boxes concealed, and metal clad box is open. I will show this picture also. Okay, so in this slide you can take the knowledge of dome cover, round cover, and 3x3 and 3x6 GI box. Dome cover we can using that time if the your device and some lights are coming in hanging purpose, slab to hanging purpose, down coming, not in slab, coming in down. That time we can using in dome cover. Round cover we can using in close purpose. Circular box close time we can using in round box, round type cover. Okay, so 3x3 is using for single. If the single switch is coming, that time we can using in 3x3 GI box. 3x3 GI box, and single power socket is coming, we can using in this one. If one to more switches is coming, one gang, 2 gang, 3 gang, 4 gang switch is coming, we can using in 3x6 GI box, and double power socket is coming, we can using in 3x6 box. Okay, so this is the this types of boxes we can using in switch system in golf. If you drop the pipe, we can using in this types of boxes in switch system. Okay, so next one, metal clad box. I will explain. This is coming in concealed. PVC we cannot using in, this is not using in golf, not using in golf PVC type. We cannot using this one. This is using in bead type wiring. Golf is not doing in bead type wiring. There is not doing. Only there is conduiting wiring. So we are using in only conduit, not in bit wiring. Okay, so this bit wiring is not doing. This means this is not using in Gulf. Only we can using some nowadays. This is maximum not using, but we can some houses in India wiring time we can using in PVC type. Okay, so this is the metal clad box. You can see GI and metal clad have the little difference. This is finishing type. This is the finishing model. You can check this is finishing and paint everything is there. But in GI, you can see this is open area. You can see this is not finishing. So this is the difference between the GI or metal clad box. This is the GI box. This is not finishing coming. We can using this is concealed inside the slab or inside the wall. But in metal clad, this is the metal clad box. Okay, so this is using for surface type wiring. Suppose you are conducting in GI conduit or EMT conduit. If you drop the pipe in boxes, that time you need to metal clad box. This types of was finishing box. You can see this is using for switches purpose. If double power socket is coming, we can using in with switch. That time we can using in 3/6 GI or metal clad. If surface, we can using in metal clad. If concealed, we can using in GI. We can using in GI 3/6 GI box. Okay, concealed purpose. And surface we can using in metal clad. There is finishing, good finishing in this one. So we can using in metal clad box in surface condition. One single indicator switch is there. This is 3/3 metal clad box. Only using in one switch. You can check here. You can see in diagram. Okay, so clear about this one. So only one switch we can using in 3/3 types. One then more type. One, two more coming. We can using in 3/6. Okay, so model of the metal clad box. So what is the difference between metal clad and GI? Metal clad box we can using in surface, open area, but GI not allowed to open area. This is using in concealed. Suppose you can using in PVC piping concealed, and that time switch dropping time your PVC pipe is coming in this type of, we can fixing this box in switch purpose and fix the pipe is here. There have the hole inside the hole 20, 25, which size of unit? We have the 120 and 125. As per your pipe size, we can using in this hole. If 20, we can using in 20 type. If 25, we can using in 25 type. Okay, so already there have the hole also. Okay, so after hole opening, your pipe is coming here. This is the opening area. Okay, your pipe is coming here up to here, dropping and put the here. Okay, so in this flat metal clad box is using for surface only, not in concealed. Concealed we can using in GI 3/3 and 3/6 boxes. Okay, so next one. Yeah, before I am already told, and this is the note. These same types of boxes are available even in PVC types also. PVC type also use same is coming, but we cannot using in maximum in PVC 3/3 and 3/6 PVC box. This is not allowed. Only circular box we can using in PVC in concealed wiring. concealed wiring route. We can using in PVC circular box, but 3x6 and 3x3 PVC box is not allowed. This is coming in bit type wiring. In golf, bit type wiring is not allowed. There is not doing in bit type wiring. There is only doing conduit type. Okay, so clear of this one. Next one, bends, types of conduit bends and shape. Okay, so we make the conduit bend by bending machine. We can make the bending machine with conduit bend. Okay, so there are 4 types of bend. 4 types of bend in conduit: small bridge, long bridge, offset bend, and bridge bend. Same like a cable tray. Cable tray also we have the horizontal 90. This one also have. Here also same like that. 90 bend also available in pipe and bridge. If you crossing the, this is the small type bridge, small type bridge. So if you crossing only one pipe, suppose you can working in slab, there to going in, running in already one pipe. So you can make the just opposite crossing. You can see this straight pipe is coming here in this picture, and you can make the cross the pipe in another side, jump the pipe in another side. Only one pipe is there. That time you can using in small type bridge. That time you can using in small type bridge. So how to making in small type bridge? I will explain this one also. Okay. So small type bridge you can marking in 2 areas. You can marking in 2 areas, but in long bridge we can using in marking in 4 areas, in bending in 4 areas. Small bridge, this is the small bridge. So if the one pipe is crossing, that time you can using in small bridge. Small bridge. Okay, so I will explain you to how to make the small, how to marking in small bridge. I'll make to you. I will give the example for you. Okay, I will give two example for you. Suppose, so you can how to make the, you can clear about this one. Sir, board. So I will explain you how to make the small bridge. Suppose this is your wall. This is your wall. So you one pipe is going route like that. One pipe is going route like that. This is the one pipe going to direct. Here have one some device or equipment is here. So you can make the, now piping is like that, and you make the jump in here and coming like that. Okay. Okay. So you can make the this one. Only one pipe is you want to cross is this pipe. This is already installation there in slab. This is your wall, this slab, okay? This is slab. Okay, so slab already. You can make the one route of here. Here is one switch in downside. One switch is there. So you can take the, here is one light. One light point is here, okay? So you can make the jump and put like that. So how to make this one? Because your pipe is straight. Your pipe have the no this one. So in this condition, how to make? This is your pipe, okay? This is your pipe. Pipe is always coming in straight, not in same line. So you can crossing place. Check your crossing place. This wall to, and this pipe, how many distance you want to cross. You can check this one, okay? So this is 1520, suppose mm. So you can marking in this length pipe starting to here. Pipe is how many? 1520 mm. First marking. So you can marking in this pipe. This is this pipe to cross another pipe. This marking too, okay? So after here to 100 mm marking this side, and another this center point to 100 mm this side marking. So in bridge making time, you should be marking in three mark in one pipe. This is your center point. Here to crossing the some another pipe, and 10 cm one side and center to 10 cm or another side. So you can make the bend from here and bend from here, and after make the straight. So same like that bridge is ready. So you should be in marking bridge, small bridge marking time. You should be marking 3 parts in pipe, and center main point to 10 centimeter this side and 10 centimeter another side. Three need to mark. This means I will tell 3 in small bridge. We need to make the marking in 3 in one pipe. If you want to make the small bridge, center point, center of the bridge. Our bridge is coming like that. This is our bridge. Okay, this is the bridge. You have to cross the one pipe. This is crossing in pipe. So first marking, this center marking, first marking is, this is your marking, okay? First marking, center of the marking. And side marking, we can bend here. This is the side marking, this marking. And third one marking is this marking. This is the third one marking. So if you marking 3 and center part to bend here, bend there, after straight, you can make the small bridge. So this is pipe is crossing the there. Pipe, only one pipe. If you cross one pipe, maximum 2 pipe. 2 pipe is crossing. Suppose there is crossing 2 pipe. You can using in small bridge. If 2 more, we can using in bridge, another types, okay? So this is the small bridge. How to making in small bridge? You can take this. You should be take the knowledge in this one, okay? Suppose this is your crossing pipe. So in small bridge time, you should be marking in 3 places in one pipe. This is the center point, crossing place of the pipe. You can marking in this one. And then after here to 100 mm or 10 centimeter one side and 10 centimeter another side for bending purpose. In the GI pipe bender, we can bending by GI pipe bender to bending purpose. So we should be marking in 3 places in small bridge. Okay, so clear about this one. Don't forget this one. Okay, so any types of small bridge, if you want to make the small bridge in GI conduit or PVC conduit, you should be marking in 3 places. Center marking is always coming crossing pipe marking, and after this one 10 centimeter or 100 mm this side and 100 mm center point to this side for bending purpose. We can bend by bending machine, so you can marking in this one. If you marking like that, your bend small bridge is coming accurate as per your requirement. Same accurate is coming like that. Okay, so be care about this one. Be care about this one. In marking time, this is the marking system. Okay, you don't forget in this one. Very important in GI conduit. Maximum 70% work is GI conduit in golf, not in PVC. Open conduit, GI and EMT. So that time, if you make the small bridge, we can using in this formula. We can using in this formula and you make the bend. Very easy for you. Don't forget this one. Okay. So small bridge is that one. Small bridge always marking is coming 3. 3 places marking is coming. Don't forget. And center to 100 mm here and 100 mm this side. Clear about this one? Small bridge. So small bridge, we can use this place crossing the pipe 1 or 2, maximum 2 pipe or 1 pipe. If 3 pipe or 4 pipe crossing, that time we can using in bridge, not in small bridge, long bridge. We can using in long bridge. Long bridge, I am explained also long bridge also, okay? So long bridge, we can using, now small bridge is completed. So next one is long bridge. Long bridge, okay? Long bridge. Suppose here to you this here to coming in. This is your beam. Beam on slab beam is coming. This is your beam. So your pipe route is coming like that. Pipe route is coming like that, okay? You can make the piping is like that. You want to cross the beam and your pipe is going here. Okay? So your pipe is going to here. So like here is beam coming. So you can stopping the beam. Now you can make the bridge outside. Okay? So that time what can you do? Pipe coming like that. Okay? So you can make the bridge is like that. So this is your pipe. You can make the bridge like that. Beam is here. This is your beam. So you are direct going, not possible. So you can make the drop. This is long bridge. Very big beam is this one. So you not possible to small bridge too. That time in long bridge, cutting part is coming 4 place. 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4 place you to marking in this one. Okay. So this beam, you can check the length. Length is 300 mm, 30 centimeter. Here to here is 30 centimeter. So you can make the gap in 30 centimeter in your pipe. And here to same like that before formula. 100 mm one side and 100 mm another side. Okay, 100 mm another side. Same like. And your bridge is coming equal level. Equal level. So bridge, if you make the bridge, cutting part is coming 4 areas. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 area coming. Here too you want to make the down, in bend the down, and then again make the straight and beam distance. Then after you want to make the up and going to straight. So you need to 4 parts bend. First bend, second bend, third bend, and fourth bend. Long bridge we can using in 4 need to 4 marking in one pipe. But small bridge we can marking in only 3 areas. Okay, clear about this one. And bending is 3 areas, small bridge, and long bridge bending parts is coming 4 area. First bend, second bend, third bend, and fourth bend. So small bend, if you crossing around the 1 pipe or 2 pipe, small pipes, that time we can using in small bridge. And long bridge, we can crossing the beam, crossing the some other objects which distances around the 20 centimeter to above length is. That time we can using in long type bridge. Long type bridge. So this is the long type bridge, and I will give 2 examples for you. Don't forget this one. Always you can marking in long bridge. First check the length of this beam. How many length is there? This is 300 mm. So you can marking in pipe in here to here 300 mm. First you marking in straight pipe to 300 mm. Okay, and then after this last point to 10 centimeter and first point to 10 centimeter back. You can go to back and make the bend. After your bend bridge is coming good condition. So straight pipe is this one. Okay, you can marking it. Suppose this is center, first, second, and third. You can marking it like that 4, and small bridge only 3. Small bridge bend is coming 3, long bridge bend is coming 4. Okay, clear? Clear about this one, long bridge and small bridge. There is the difference only cutting parts. Okay, we have the difference with cutting parts. So just this is the formula, cutting this bending parts formula. So after this 3 means here 1, you see there is one marking, center 1 marking, and side 1 marking. This is a small bridge. Small bridge crossing the only 1 pipe is here. You can see only 1 pipe is crossing here. That time we can using this one. And long bridge, I will tell 4 marking, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you should be marking in 4. This is the long bridge. This is long bridge. So you can make, this is not available in ready-made. Conduit bend not available in ready-made. This is made by your hand. But cable tray you can made by, sorry, this is available in ready-made also. Conduit bend not available in ready-made. You should be made by bending machine to your hand. So you don't forget this formula. You can using in this formula easy to you. Okay. Clear about this one. There is already signing 1, 2, 3, 4 marking, and there is 3. Only 3 marking is enough for this one. Okay. Next one. You see there is, this is long bridge. We can suppose there is coming in 2 pipes, 2 big pipes. How many distance? Very big distance this one. Types of distance we can using in long bridge. This is beam. I will give two example of you. This is the beam. So how many beam is distance? First you marking the beam distance. After marking 10 centimeter here and 10 centimeter here. So after coming in this one, okay, you can check in there. There is 4 marking. You can check there. Very easy. As per your distance. As per your distance. How many distance you can marking is like that. After very clear is coming like that. Very clear. You can see that this picture. Okay. Clear. This is the long bridge. This is long bridge. So long bridge we can using in if you crossing the beams and some big pipes, not in only beams. Suppose firefighting pipe is running in your buildings, in projects, and some AC duct is running there, central AC ducting. This is also running in your project or your working area. That time you can check there if only the length is distance wide is 10 centimeter like that. Only small pipe is crossing, electrical pipe. You can using in small bridge, but like this one, drainage pipe, water firefighting pipe or beam, that time you can using in long bridge. We can using in long bridge. Okay, so clear about this one. I hope clear about this one. Formula is, I will show there. This is your pipe is coming only straight like that. There is no any. So you can marking and make the bends. Marking and make the bends. Okay. Another bends also available. So this is, we are talking about the small bridge and long bridge. We are talking about the small bridge and long bridge. Now, offset type bend. Offset type bends. How to making the offset? Offset formula. You don't forget the offset formula. What is the formula of offset? Object height into 1.42 mm, or the object height into 1.42 mm. If you make the offset, sometime you need to down offset also, and sometime you need to up offset also. Same like a cable tray formula. You can using in offset making time. Offset cable tray formula is there. You can using in same like that. Okay. So offset type bend is this one. So some objects you can crossing it inside this one. We can using in offset type bends. And next one is 90-degree type bends. to 90-degree type bends also. 90-degree type bends also. So we are making the 90. You see, we can take the some points. Okay, some points to make the 90s and this one. So 90, any types of bend you can bending. That time you need to pipe bender. Pipe bender. If you make to offset, bridge, small bridge, long bridge or 90-degree, you should be need to bender in GI conduit. GI conduit, we should be need to bender. Without bender, GI bender not possible. In PVC, we can using in PVC type spring bender for bending. Okay, so 90 also using in 90 is always going to right to left or left to right. I am already told you right to left or left to right. And GI conduit, if we can using drop the conduit in switch box, that time also using in 90-degree offset, 90-degree bend. Okay, so 90-degree bend is using in two places in conduit, but in cable only cable tray we can using in right to left and left to right moving time using in 90-degree bends. In conduit, if the conduit is dropped in switch, that time we can using in 90-degree. Okay, there is, you see here to one pipe is coming and dropping in down in wall. There is make the marking. So this is the 90-degree bends. So in four types of bend is available. Four types of bend is available. Offset, 90-degree, small bridge and long bridge. In conduit, four types of bend. How many types of bend is? Four types. Okay. So offset, 90-degree, small bridge and long bridge. I will give to formula also. Okay. So I hope all of you are clear about this one in bend. Okay. And next one is tools and equipment. What tools and equipment need in? Materials need in conduit. Conduit installation time. Okay. What tools and equipment? So clear this one. Tools and equipment. Conduit bending time or conduit installation time. Which tools you need? Bending machine. You need to bending machine in GI pipe as per drawing sizes. So bending machine you can need in bending the pipe. Bending machine. Tools. Threading die. You need to make the thread time. You need to threading die also. And concrete drill. You can GI pipe installation in concrete slab. That time you need to concrete type drill, not in normal drill. Okay. Concrete drill bit 6 mm. Concrete drill bit also you need. And next one is screwdriver. Screwdriver. And materials, GI pipe as per drawing size. Materials, this is and 6 mm PVC roll plug. You can need in 6 mm PVC roll plug also. Wooden screw for screwing system. Okay. Saddle bar, we can using in saddle bar for concrete saddle bar also. And checkline powder also we can using in concrete installation time. Coupler, we can using in coupler also. And circular box, last we can using in circular box for conduit routing time, we can using in circular box. Coupler joining purpose, chuck-line powder line purpose. If you make the chuck-line powder to line, after your conduit route is coming straight, looking straight, very nice. See, saddle bar for handling the conduit. Wooden screw support for the saddle bar, we can using in wooden screw. And PVC roll plug. And GI pipe as per your drawing size, we can using in as per your drawing size. Okay. So what tools and materials need for conduiting work, that time you can writing in this one. Tools is one side and materials is another side. Okay. So clear about this one. Okay. Next one. So this is chuck-line powder with dory, concrete drill machine. This is the concrete drill machine. PVC fissure or roll plug, we can using in 6 mm in conduiting. 6 mm in conduiting, we can using in 6 mm for conduiting work. Okay. And screw is two types, star types and flat type. Both type we can using in screw. First fix the PVC plug, roll plug, and we can using in screw. This is the saddle bar. This name is saddle bar. Okay. So we can using in this one. Concrete bit 6 mm. If you fixing 6 mm PVC fissure, you use 6 mm. This is 8 mm. You can using in 8 mm as per your PVC fissure, size of the PVC fissure. And drill bit, this is the drill bit. This is concrete bit and this is drill bit. Drill bit we can using in iron or metal, whole time we can using in drill bit. Concrete bit we can using in slab or wall walling time, we can using in concrete bit. Okay. So drill bit is this one and this is concrete bit. Drill bit we can using in metal and iron whole time. Concrete bit slab we can using in slab only. Okay. So any questions about conduit? Any questions? Okay, I hope all of you are clear. Wish you all the best. See you next class. Thank you.